Hey ma'am, I'm Justin D. Garcia from BSIT2. In this video, determine natin if an Osana sentence is a proposition or not proposition, whether simple or compound statement or even true or false. First statement, number 1. The computer is connected to the internet. Ang akong didakuan is proposition. Because it's a declarative statement na pwede natin ma-answer. It's either true or false. The next is simple. Because warahiya maggamit mga logical connectives, ma-answer that natin na true or false. And ang iya naman truth value is true or false. And let's move to number 2. Install the latest version of the Windows. So, it's not a proposition. And number 3. A byte consists of 8 bits. The answer is proposition. So same with number 1. Because it's a declarative statement na pwede natin ma-answer whether true or false. And next is simple. So as you can see, warelot hiya gumamit mga connectives. And the truth values naman is true. It is true naman na, di ba, a byte consists of 8 bits. And let's move on to number 4. How many gigabytes of RAM does your laptop have? So it's not a proposition. Not proposition. As we can observe naman, di ba, na this sentence gumamit iyahan question mark. And siya nagpapatunay na this sentence is not a statement but is a question. So it's not a proposition. And let's move to number 5. All viruses are types of malware. The answer is proposition. Same with number 1. Hiya declarative statement na pwede natin ma-answer it's either true or false. And number 2 is simple. Same as 1 and 3. Waray latya gumamit mga logical connectives. And then iyan naman, truth value is true.